Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas. I'm gonna wear it today. Today is the 27th, it's my anniversary, so I wanna share with you guys before I use it. So I hope you like this video. This is how it came. They put a little butterfly in there. And so the traditional one, I guess they don't have anymore. So it's really cute. Come in a Neiman marker box. So Neiman marker. And this is the bag. I already opened it. I was so surprised that he bought me that because I asked him that I want a Chanel necklace and a couple of things that I want. Some scarf and Louis Vuitton purse, and he just bought me this Chanel because he said that he never seen me that happy when he bought me the black one. So he thought, you know, I would enjoy it more and I would be more happy. So I was really surprised. I still think, I don't know if I should keep it, but let's open it. Then I tell you. It's a little crazy color, kind of like me. That's what he said. It's an orange. We got hardware. And it's the jumbo double flat bag. Just like the other one. Okay, with a little paper there. And I like the way she did this. So now I know I can wear it in another way. It's really short. So I can wear it like this. Or like this. So that's a new way that I didn't see it before, how you can put it that short. So it's just like the black one, so I'm not going to give you that many detail. This is the identity card. And the receipt. Say Chanel. So I guess she put it all the way in like that, and then she put it inside like this. I really want the red one, but my husband said that this one has more personality, more like me, more different. So I don't know if it's going to be easy to match with a lot of clothes. So today I put my Michelle watch with the orange. And then I put my skirt that is in orange. And then I wear these beautiful shoes from Michael Kors. We're going for dinner right now to celebrate our 23rd anniversary. So, and my son's going to drive us. He came from college for Christmas, and he decided to stay another 2 days with us so he can drive all over. So we don't have to take a taxi or anything, and we can have a couple of drinks. So I'm excited about that. And I want to show you. To me, they are just, you know, too much like the same. I wish I could have it a little smaller, but my husband said the same thing. You know, you like big purse. Why am I going to buy a small purse? Like the small purse, I only use it like when I go out at night to dance or things like that. That is not that often because I'm getting old. I'm 47 years old, by the way. So I don't know, I've been asking my kids, and they're like, Mommy, it's just like you, so it's different, and I think you will enjoy it. So I don't know, I love it, so I'm gonna wear it today. Oh, I want to share something else. I have 2 things that my husband bought me. It's in the back still. It's these 2 pairs tickets. I love to work out. I work out every day, and I like to do Zumba. And so that's kind of cute. I really like the color. So you kind of know that now that I really like color. Really dramatic color. And then he bought me these boots from Furrier. I think they're so cute. I love the bag. So, that's the brand. So I'm gonna wear those for New Year. And then, what else? Oh, then he bought me a pair of jeans. They are True Religion. I love this brand too. This is my favorite brand in jeans. So then he bought me a couple of makeup. And I think that's it for now. So, oh, he bought me this jacket. I'm gonna wear it today too. It's BCBG. And I really like it because it had this like Chanel, the design of Chanel, in the arm. So, BCBG. That's what it look like. And oh, more makeup here. So the Maybelline, some power, lipstick. Let's see what color is it. It's like natural color. And a gloss from MAC, and then some eyeshadow from MAC, and a eyeliner. So I hope you like this video, and tell me what you think about the color. Do you think it's a little too crazy or it's fun? Thanks for watching me, and I see you later. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista. Besito.